This is an attempt to cook. Hey guys, my name is Grayson Kilpatrick, and today I'm going to be cooking some things by Katie Chen. She's graciously given me her cookbook to try some of her recipes out, and today I wanted to show you some. First, what we're going to do is we're going to cook a Jamaican chicken, then we're going to do a cauliflower steak something, and then we're going to do a a mango smoothie for dessert. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start on the chicken first. So, let me set this aside. Back here, I got my big old boy. Then we have all the different spices. We have 12 spices, and then we have a lemon juice, olive rub. No, we have 11 spices, like KFC. That's right. The first thing that we want to do is, it says preheat the oven to 425 Fahrenheit. So let me go ahead and, oh, it already preheated to 425. Okay, anyway, so then we need to make the spice rub. So combine the spice rub ingredients into a food processor or coffee grinder until smooth. Remember, kids, wash your hands before you handle food. You don't want to get people sick. I'll go wash my hands again. Anyway, so now what we want to do is we want to combine all the spices into the spice blend. Cayenne pepper. I wonder if this stuff is hot. Should I try it? Hold up. That's hot! Oh, that's hot. I'm gonna go ahead and set that over to the side. And next it says here, rub the whole chicken with extra virgin olive oil and lemon juice. Okay. Let me go ahead and get that chicken. And then here's the extra virgin olive oil with lemon juice. Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and rub a little bit of this on here. It's like a massage, like, hi, how was your day? Would you like to exfoliate your feet? There. He had a hard day at the office. He lost his head over those prices. Massage the spice rub over the whole chicken, including the cavities and under the skin. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pour a little bit more of this lemon juice olive oil rub. Then, actually I'm just gonna use the rest of it on this side. Then maybe a little bit into there. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to get our spice rub and just go ahead and dump a little bit of that on our hands so we don't need all of it at once. That's, hold up. That's it. Alright, you gotta make, your muscles are very tense, sir. It's like those people at the mall that stop you and they're like, hi, would you like a free massage? The next step is to rub the whole chicken, stuff. Transfer to a roasting pan. Okay, yeah. now that it's in the roasting pan, nobody loves wrong roasting. I just realized that. It's not the one where people go around and go, boy, you don't. It's the one where you. So then what we need to do once the oven has reached 425, we roast the bird in the oven for 15 minutes. I feel sorry for that bird. Its feelings are going to get hurt. So we're going to go ahead and roast this in the oven for 15 minutes, and then afterwards we will reduce the heat to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius and continue to roast for 60 to 70 minutes. So, I'm going to go ahead and plop this bird in here. What do chickens make for the sound? I was going to say gobble gobble, but that's turkey. Bok bok, that's right. Ah, that's heavy. So let me go ahead and stick that in right there. Okay. And then set a timer for 15 minutes. Alright, well, while that's going, I'm going to go ahead and clean up, and then we're going to move on to the mango salsa. Okay, so now that we got our stuff ready, what we have is 2 mangoes, lime, about 2 teaspoons, or 2 teaspoons of... Alright, so yeah, I'm going to chop it up until it's about like that. That smells so good.
Like a salsa.
Yeah, like a salsa. But then I'm going to put this one, because this is a little bit harder. I should have probably done it the other way around, but I think I'm going to use this one and then just do large chunks in it and then put the large chunks into there. And when I mix in the cilantro and lime juice, kind of hope that they, what's the word that he uses, that Binging with Babish uses all the time? Homogeneous. Hopefully they're all homogeneous. That's the word. See, I know my English because I watch YouTubers. Where do mangoes come from?
Mango trees.
Anyway, do they come from the Caribbean, or do they come from a smarty pants sitting behind the camera? What we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and put this all in a bowl. Once I get this last piece cube, we're gonna go ahead and put this in a medium-sized bowl, something not too large, not too small, and we're gonna go ahead and just mix it all together, the cilantro, onions, and the mango, oh, and the lime juice. Go ahead and dump all that in. Scrape that off into the bowl. Then, you forget what you're going to do next. Oh, yes. Then what we want to do is go ahead and put the cilantro, or let's go ahead and do the cilantro first. So just, I guess I'll just kind of go. It's not coming out. Give me a second. Just whoop. Then go ahead and get your lime. Cut that in half. There we go. Ugh. I don't understand how something so bad can help things taste so good. But Put the lime and the coconut and drink it all up. No.
Put the pulp down.
Yeah.
No.
And then just squeeze out a full lime. I'm just gonna say or let's do a half a lime first, and then we'll taste test to see how that is. Let me see the recipe real quick. And it says, 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lime juice. I'm gonna say that's about 2 teaspoons. Yeah, it won't hurt it. Then, with your spatula, just go ahead and start mixing that around. And there we go. Oh, that looks really good. Alright. Well, it should be ready. Chicken. Here we go. Alright, there it is. Whew. It's heavy, hot. That looks really good.